Clogged sink drains from vegetable peels or fibrous stuff are one of the most annoying kitchen problems you'll face. So here's the deal. Don't just toss your veggie scraps down the sink, especially things like potato peels, celery strings, or corn husks, because they can get stuck and cause serious blockages. Instead, keep a compost bin or a trash container close by to drop those peelings in. When washing dishes, scrape any leftover food into the trash before rinsing. If you have a garbage disposal, run cold water while it's on to help push the fibrous bits through without getting tangled. Avoid pouring grease or oil down the drain, since they can mix with fibrous waste and create nasty clogs. Use a drain strainer to catch bits of food before they go down the drain. If you notice water draining slowly, try using a plunger or a baking soda and vinegar mix to clear minor blockages before things get worse. Regularly flushing your drain with hot water can also keep it clear from buildup. One of the biggest mistakes people make is thinking vegetable peels are safe to wash down the drain, but they actually stick inside pipes and cause backups. Fix this by composting or trashing peelings instead. Another common issue is ignoring slow drainage until it's a full clog. The fix is to act fast with natural cleaners, like baking soda and vinegar or a plunger. Lastly, many folks pour grease down their sink, which mixes with fibrous waste and hardens into a solid clog. Always collect grease in a container and throw it away once cooled. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want easy access to trusted local contractors for any home repair or remodeling needs. Plus, contractors can use it to find steady work by connecting with people nearby who need their skills.